Hello everyone. Today we are going to do the reading part of chapter 6, Jack discovers a new land. So, let's read. Jack discovers a new land. Before you read, did you like the story of Jack and the Beanstalk in the previous chapter? Are you curious to find out what happens next? Read below and find about Jack's adventure. When the beanstalk ended, Jack found himself in front of a great castle. Castle means a palace with a broad road leading straight up to the front gate. As he drew near the castle, he saw a huge lady standing at the door. Jack was scared at the sight of the lady, but he asked, "Would you please, ma'am, give me some breakfast? I have had nothing to eat since yesterday." At the sight of means on seeing someone at the very first look. The giant's wife was very kind. She said, "Very well, little man, come in, but you must be quick about it. If my husband, the giant, finds you here, he will eat you up, bones and all. Here is a cup of milk and some sandwiches." Suddenly, there was a loud knock at the front door, which seemed to shake even the thick walls of the castle. The giant's wife quickly lifted Jack up and popped him into an empty kettle when her husband roared out. Popped means to put something inside some empty object, and roared means to shout loudly. Fee, fee, fo, fum. I smell the blood of a young one. Be he alive or be he dead, I'll grind his bones to make my bread. It's a boy, I'm sure it is, he continued. Where is he? I'll have him for my breakfast. Nonsense, said his wife. You must be mistaken. It's the ox hide you smell. Skin of an ox. Ox hide is the skin of an ox. Thus, the giant sat down and ate a greater part of the ox. When he had finished, he said, "Wife, bring me my money bags." His wife brought him 2 bags of gold, and the giant began to count his money. Jack watched in wonder at all what was happening. The meaning of wonder is surprise. The giant then asked his wife to fetch his little hen, which laid golden eggs. The hen laid 20 golden eggs. After the giant had put the eggs into a basket, he called out, "Wife, bring me the golden lyre." His wife brought the golden lyre and placed it on the table. "Sing," said the giant, and the lyre at once began to sing the most beautiful songs that ever were heard. It sang so sweetly that the giant soon fell fast asleep. Seeing that the giant was fast asleep, Jack crept quietly out of the kettle and tiptoed to the table. He gathered the money bags and the little hen. He put them into a large bag, and just as he lifted the golden lyre, the hen called out, "Master, master!" The giant woke up just in time to catch sight of Jack running out of the kitchen door with his money and hen. With a fearful roar, He screamed. Screamed means to shout loudly. Fee, fee, fo, fum. I spy a country bum. He is alive, but will soon be dead. When I grind his bone to make my bread. He grabbed his club and dashed after Jack, who was already halfway down the beanstalk. The giant began to climb down too. But as soon as Jack saw him coming, he called out, "Mother, bring me an axe." Jack had no sooner reached the ground when he chopped the beanstalk. Down came the giant with a terrible crash, and that was the end of him. With the bags of gold and little hen, Jack and his mother helped the entire village. All the villagers blessed them and lived happily ever after. Thank you. This was the reading part of our chapter 6, Jack Discovers a New Land. Have a nice day.